They know Mahabharata is there. There are some questions in Mahabharata. Always big questions to me. Big questions to me. Array, the first biggest question for most of the people. How 5 members are going to marry a single lady? Draupadi. Have you remembered? So,
Yes, sir.
how 5 members are going to marry a single lady? Pandavalu. The total Pandavas. So, do you know? They married Draupadi like, but after seeing Mahabharata series, then I came to know how much things are happened there. How many things are happened there. Okay, just by we are seeing only that point, but internally, how many things are happened. Okay, like step by step, like everything there is clear because we don't know, right? That's why our assumption is the wrong. We don't know. Our assumption may be wrong. That's why once we had a talk with the opposite person, then we will come to know the originality. Most of the times, whatever we are feeling, believe me, that may be wrong. Talk with the person. If any information you want to convey, sir, what do you understand from their perspective? Sympathy must be required. Okay. So I told, right, there is a clear, like clear empathy. Empathy must be required. Empathy means, right? Empathy means, right? You have to understand the things from opposite person perspective. Okay, why? What is the internal intention of doing this one? Like if you have such a type of ability, then you can correct in the most meaningful way. Remember. That's why don't be silent. Your silence creates a lot of problems. So give feedback. Feedback solves the problems. Discussions, open discussion solves many problems. Today, small problem, tomorrow's bigger problem will come. Remember, somewhere we require to stop that. Otherwise, it's going to be expanded just like an atom bomb, like it's going to blast one fine day.